Hello awesome people out there, hope you are doing great. I'm Vikas Tiwari and welcome to Programmers Mode. In the last video, we discussed about various methods with the help of which you can improve websites SEO. In that we discussed about schema markup or say schema structured data. So let's deep dive and understand it in more depth. Also in the end I will provide you some tools and references with the help of which integration becomes more feasible. Schema structured data is a way of organizing and providing additional context to the content present on our website. Now there's one problem. The problem is that how does it communicate with search engines? So to communicate with the search engines in a feasible manner, it uses schema markup. Now by simply implementing schema markup, we can help search engines understand the purpose and meaning of our website's content more effectively. Don't worry, we will see an example soon of a schema markup. Now let's move to the benefits of the same, wherein first comes the enhanced search engine listings. Now schema markup can enhance your website's search engine listing by simply adding rich snippets. Now the schemas that we are defining, it is with respect to the website's content that we are serving. For example, there are many categories that we'll discuss about. So suppose I take an example of a e-commerce portal wherein we have a listing, and in that listing suppose we have a particular product. So for that products we will be having a star rating, reviews, or say some details specific to it. So when a user searches about it, about that particular product, so what happens, the search results shows an eye-catching and engaging snippets that can significantly increase your click-through rates. Now second comes improved organic search engine rankings. When search engines understand your content better, then relevant search results are displayed more accurately. Also it potentially boosts our organic rankings as well. Next comes voice search optimization. Now there's a structured data that plays a crucial role in order to provide a concise and accurate answers to our voice queries that we make to the assistants like Siri or say Google Assistant. Now let's move to the various types of schema markup that we have. So there are, as we discussed about the product schema, the breadcrumb, the carousel. So we'll look at the examples right away. So as you can see here, there are many categories that describes our websites. Okay, so what categories are like e-commerce, organizations, jobs, or say news, education, food, entertainment, and all. Okay, so for example, say here we go to the product schema. Okay, here we have several data with respect to product like ratings, its pros and cons, shipping details, or say returns, price drop, or some more specific details about that product. Okay, so let's see the example of the same. So this object is represents the schema markup for that product. Okay, so there's this author, aggregate rating, return value, rating value, review count. So with respect to your website's content, you can move towards the carousel, breadcrumb schema, or say event schema. Also there's some job posting schema as well, like this one. Okay, so let's move to the implementation. Implementing schema structured data may sound complex, okay, but actually it's not complex, it's a straightforward thing. We have to follow a few steps and we are done. So let's look at them. So firstly, identify the relevant schema markup that goes well for your website. Okay, so the next step in implementation comes adding that schema markup that we have selected in our website's HTML code. Okay, the example which we saw previously. Okay, once we have identified schema, we have added that in our HTML code. Then there's the level 3 that comes. Now we have to test it thoroughly that whatever we are thinking, whatever we are trying to implement, it is actually reflecting. Okay, then it will make more sense. So we have some tools to test and validate our schema markup. Okay, so I will explain you two here and rest you can Google and explore on yourself. First comes the schema validator. Okay, so let's see a live example for the schema validator. Now again, don't worry about the links. I will give every links in the description. You can take a reference. Now just concentrate on the concepts that I'm trying to explain. So what we will do, we will just simply copy this and we will move to the schema validator. So this is the schema validator that will validate our schema for us. So I've pasted it here and then I will validate it. So as you can see here, there are 0 errors and 0 warnings. Okay, means the schema that we have defined is correct. Then comes the Google structured data testing. So this is the Google structured data testing tool. We have taken example of that previous one only. So here you can see this is the schema of that product. As you can see, you can here test it with the smartphone and desktop as well. So here I will go with the smartphone. So let's test it and wait a while. So as you can see here, there are 4 valid items that are detected by the crawler. Some product snippets, merchant listings and review snippets. This will help the crawler to understand your content's data more accurately. So now you are all set to make it live and then monitor your search results to see if the rich snippets are appearing as intended or not. Okay, for a note, it may take some time to reflect in search results. Okay, keep patience, and there you have it. Schema structured data is a powerful SEO technique that can give your website a competitive edge. Okay, improve your search engine visibility and attract more organic traffic. For today, that is all. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video and extracted some information out of it, do subscribe and share with your mates. We will meet again in next video with an interesting topic. Until then, take care and thanks for listening.